Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's Tuesday, and we've had a little bit of reverse of yesterday's trade action. Yesterday, beans were down, corn and wheat were up. Some people link that to the fact that the commitments of traders on Friday showed that the funds sold a lot of wheat and corn last week, and those markets might be a little oversold. And also, in the beans, talk that this year's U.S. soybean crop could be bigger than what the USDA is saying and could add to the carryout. Overnight, beans are up a little bit, corn and wheat's down a little bit. As far as USDA data is concerned, they estimated the corn harvest at 75% done versus 68 average. Continue to hear corn yields a little bit better than expected. Farmer continues to be a reluctant seller, and cash bases are firming up. The soybean harvest is 87% done versus 80 average. This is pretty much in line with what the trade thought. Here again, the market is hearing better yields, which could mean in the November crop report, USDA could raise the crop and raise the carryout. Farmer selling has been okay to this point, but we'll be watching to see if that selling slows down. As I mentioned, Brazil soybean plantings 18% done versus 27 average. In the northwest corner, it's only 21% done versus 40, while in the central, it's 55 versus 49. They're supposed to be getting rains this week, which should help conditions there. Saw one private crop scout talking about the possibility of lowering the Brazil soybean crop from the 100 million ton guesstimate if the dryness continues. In Argentina, there's a runoff for the presidential election. Agricultural felt good that the election was so close and that the runoff could mean that the candidate who was pro-ag and pro-business could actually win. Farmer selling down there has stopped, waiting to see how the elections come out. But this same private crop scout said that he might lower the Argentina corn and soybean crop because of less acres and some weather issues. Outside markets, trade will be watching the Chinese policy meeting, also the FOMC meetings this week to see if there's any change in the feelings of the Fed chairman and the governors to see if they should raise interest rates or not, because of mainly the stimulus packages that they're doing in Europe and also in China. So we've got beans up a little bit, corn and wheat down a little bit, and we'll see how the market flows into month end and how it flows into the end of the U.S. harvest and how things look in South America as far as weather and politics go. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.